Hey guys! So today, we'll be playing Movie Star Planet. So I'm just going to do the fourth screen and log in. So yeah. So let's begin. So I'm logging in today. I will be going on to my boyfriend's account and trolling him a little bit. JK, I will be trolling him a lot of it. So I'm on my account right now. Yeah, 0 friends are online, so I'm sad, but I can make new friends. But oh, Jonathan's online. But I'm just gonna claim my award I won and go to my boyfriend's account. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna log out and got my little sheet of paper and I'm gonna type in my boyfriend's account. So we're both on the American servers and let's just talk more about, not me, I don't want to be self-centered. Let's just talk about more about my boyfriend. So we know each other for the past, I would say, a good 2 weeks, I guess, 2 weeks or like say 9 days. But he gave me his password and his username I just wrote down because I'm not good at remembering. So I'm just gonna type in his password right now. And I'm sorry guys, this is taking so long, but I'm done now. And one time he changed his password, but he changed it back. This ad just keeps popping up. Alright, so it's the best. So I'll show you me on his account. Now he has a friend online. He has an animal! I want to open his animal first, because he'll know it would be me on his account anyway, I'm pretty sure. He got an autograph, he received 2 loves, and your status update. He's on level 6, and I'm almost to level 7, so yeah. But, yeah, let's see what this message is from. This says, hi, bye, okay, sorry, what? I kind of do want to troll people, but not today. But yeah, so I'm logged in and I'm just gonna look at his status update. And go to his room. And I'm gonna open his person. I can't open it. Did he even buy this? What? Okay. Okay, I don't get this. Did he buy it or what? Okay. Exit. Save. We're gonna open his thing first. And oh, what happened? I thought he logged me out. This animal. I hope he doesn't get mad at me. We're not boyfriend and girlfriend anymore. Ah, you got the cheap dragon. I got the cute little duck. But I hope he's not mad, cause we're not dating anymore. But he gave me his password, so I'm gonna make him date me again. Hopefully he doesn't change his password. Ooh, I'm gonna send me some gifts. He's on level 6 now. He can send me some gifts. Okay, let's go to messages. Let's go to, oh, hear me. 20 hours ago, I'm not a good girlfriend. I don't text like every 2 minutes. What's the problem? Hey. I'm not gonna type anything. I'm gonna send me some presents, so how we do this? I don't even know how to send gifts. What is this? Oh, I don't even know how to send gifts, guys. So, yeah. We gonna look around here and see who our Mooney is. Our Mooney. I love my Nia. My Nia. I hate my GF. I don't even have a GF. But I'm gonna go to me. This is me. I look like a bum because I didn't take my crying mascara off. But I'm just gonna click on me. No. No, you did not. He's not my friend anymore. No. No, no, no. No. Wait. He's gonna send me a friend request. I didn't block him. I don't know what this boy thinks he's doing. Okay, let's log out and go to my account and accept it and then give him a boyfriend request and come back. Because I'm that type of person that does that. I'm not kidding. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my account real fast. I know my account by heart. Oops, I don't. Okay, and then... Alright, so I'm logging in right now. I'm gonna accept his friend request. He's so nice, isn't he? I know it. See, I got one little thing right here. I'm gonna go to request, and I'm gonna accept. And then, ooh, Avery. Okay, I'm gonna text her, hey girl, I'm recording. Yeah. Oh, wait, here. Wait. Look. Hey, girl, I am recording. Say hi to you too. Hey, girl, I'm recording. Say hi to you too. I don't even think she's gonna reply. Okay. I'm gonna wait for a second. Yeah, she doesn't even know I do YouTube. Go to... Got it to go. Yeah, go to YouTube. And... No, she went offline? No, she went offline. And like my vid. And like my bed. At Olivia Parker. Search Olivia playing Parker playing MSP. Yeah, go to YouTube and like my vid at Olivia Parker. Search Olivia Parker playing MSP. That's my name of the video is going to be. But whatever. I don't have long to record though, which really sucks. So I'm going to go and accept it as friend request. I'm going to go to 33 friends. And I don't talk like that. Oh, she went back online. See what she says. Okay, LG, he on a 6. Let boyfriend request them. Yes. And oh, I can't special request. Alright, whatever. He's gonna special request me, and then we're gonna. Yeah. Alright, so this is very like chaotic for you guys, but I do this a lot. Next video, I'm gonna be trolling people, which I really shouldn't do that. But yeah, next video I'm trolling people, and whenever he breaks up with me again, I'm just gonna go back into his account because I don't think he knows. He gave me his account. He could just go back through messages because no messages get deleted. For some reason, Snapchat's on fire because their messages delete in like 24 hours. So like, just did that. Now we gonna go to friends. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes. I'm literally pressing, you want to break up with Kate. Kate online! Kate online! Oh my gosh. Sorry. Like my old GF. Oh my gosh. Like my old GF. Sorry, like my old GF. She cuter. Than you. Hopefully you don't log on and be like, what you doing on my account? Sorry. Okay. Can we still be friends? Okay. Can we still be friends? Question mark. What if she say no? I'm gonna be sad because you're gonna log back in here, start typing, hey Kate, my baby boo, and she's gonna be like, you told me no. You liked your old GF better. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Okay, but okay, bye. That's how I type. You don't type like that, so. I feel like people will be suspicious. I logged out of this account like 100 times. I'm gonna accept his request now because he's so nice. And yeah, that was surprising Kate was on there. But yeah, hopefully he doesn't. See, I'm a bad girlfriend. See, this is why don't date me, please. Because he was the one that wanted to date me, but I'm a bad girlfriend, so. Oh, where's my request? Don't tell me I forgot to request it. He's my boyfriend now, right? Yes, he's my boyfriend. I'm gonna just, nobody is online, so I'm gonna go to chat and find some friends before this ends. I'm gonna try to make one friend before this ends. That all rhymes. The skate park is the best place to find friends because people think that place is popular. Hi, wanna be friends? Hey, daddy. No, not Jazz. No, I can't be friends with daddy girl. Daddy girl, no. This computer sucks. Let's be friends. Yes. I'm trying to get to one friend to be like my best friend. I don't even care if they're like my best friend. I just want a friend. Yes, I want to be friends with daddy girl. Me. Oh, she did not accept it. That girl. Oh, Jazz Mono. She waited. Ew. Girl, I'm gonna type noob. Let's see. Wanna